Uh, this question that I've got is how much is the investment required for opening up primary school? And this question has come from Mr. Murli. Mr. Murli, apart from land that you've asked, of course, land cost varies, and you cannot put a number on how much is the investment required because of the land. It could be expensive in a big city and cheap in a rural location as well. So apart from that, the investment would be required now in construction. How much construction? You should have at least bare minimum one room per grade that you're going to start. If you're going to start till class fifth, for example, then you have the three pre-primary grades. You have five classes from one to five. That means at least basic is eight classrooms. That's of course. If you have only six classrooms, then you can't start till class five. Then you will also need to have some other rooms, like for example, the office room. You'll have to have an office for the principal. You'll have to have some rooms for activities like a computer room, art and craft, music and dance room. Of course, if it's in a very rural location, you can use the same room for multiple purpose, for the science lab, for an art and craft room. The dance and music and dance room can also be your hall as an auditorium. So it depends. The more you can afford to create as extra activity areas, apart from the classrooms, the more admissions you can expect, because these are the areas which convince people that this is the right school. Classrooms don't convince people. You can have 100 classrooms, but parents will say, okay, my child will go to only one classroom. What else? Where else will he practice? Where else will he get to play? Where else will he get to learn? So those are those common areas: art and craft room, computer room, dance room, music room. So you have to have some areas which will impress the parents as well. So think about that. Think about which market you're opening, how much is the paying potential of the parents, what kind of competition is there. If you are serious about opening a school, if you think this is the right sector, a lot of people today are getting laid off and are thinking of opening a play school, because you can open a school today with as low as 5 lakh rupees. That's right. Just 5 लाख रुपए में आप प्ले स्कूल खोल सकते हैं. तो इस वेबिनार को अटेंड कीजिए. रजिस्टर योरसेल्फ. I'm doing this webinar. It's free of cost. Register yourself for this webinar, and I look forward to seeing you on Sunday when I'll be covering all the aspects that are required to open a successful school. अगर आप सीरियस है स्कूल खोलने के लिए, ये वेबिनार मत मिस कीजिए. I look forward to seeing you. If you have any questions, तो please comments में लिखिए. I'll try and answer them in my next videos as well. And before you go, जो subscribe button को मत भूलिए उसको click करना, एंड बेल आइकन को भी क्लिक करो, सो दैट जब भी मैं नया वीडियो डालूंगा आपको इंस्टेंटली इन्फॉर्मेशन पहुंच जाएगी कि नया वीडियो आया है मोल सर की तरफ से. एंड यू विल कीप लर्निंग, बिकॉज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू बी अ लर्नर in order to teach others as well. So with that, I wish you all the best in your plans to open a school. Good luck.